for you. So find someone to sit on the co-pilot. Me. Remember me? Oh, where's the seat? Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat beside the captain. Come on. Me. Yes, I did it! Okay, everyone, I got this. I don't think I got it. No, you're not gonna do it. Stop filming. Oh no, it's back. Bro, why are you looking at me? Why are you breathing down my shoulder? You humans are funny. Your destiny has already been written. Last chance, Sour Patch Yellow 6. Why are you talking to me? What? Can you talk to someone else? Pass this paint, and we will rule the underworld for eternity. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this time. And GG. You humans are so weak. You're weak for asking me. This is not the last time you see me. Badge. Okay, I'll accept. I got a new friend. Airplane victory. And if I didn't save it, what would happen? Airplane straight point of king. Oh, we made it! What is it turn? Okay, bye guys.